Hi friends, it's Miss Jane. Do you know this book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle? It's one of my favorites, and I love the caterpillar on the front, and I thought it would be fun to try and make one too. So what I have some red paint and some green paint, and I thought I would use this as a stencil just to make it fun. But you could also try cutting a sponge and doing sponge painting, or cutting out circles if you have construction paper, or if you only have white paper, you can cut out circles and color them in with some crayons. But I'm gonna try this and see how well I do. All right, so I think I'm gonna start with green on this side. Let's see, where we go. And I'm gonna do green and press it down and lift up. I made a green circle. And I think I'm going to do a pattern. So now I'm gonna try red, get a lot of paint on there, and press it down. Yay. And now I'm gonna go back to green. Press it down. So now I have green and red and green. What color comes next? I'm gonna use red. Did you guess red? I bet you did. And red, and press it down. And now green. Green comes next. Press. Green and red and green and red and green and red. You're right, red. All right. And red. Ta-da! We made a pattern. And now I'm gonna add some feet. And some antennae, and let's see, a smiley face, because I like smiley caterpillars, and I happen to have googly eyes, just because we're silly over here. So I'm gonna add some googly eyes with some glue. 1 and 2. I made a caterpillar with a pattern. Green and red and green and red and green and red. I made one of them earlier like that. See, the same pattern. But I also tried it by coloring some white circles, and I put dots on to count. Maybe you could try that. And I made his eyes with crayons. See? And here's one that's just green. And here's another one that I cut out. But you can try all sorts of things. You can try using the bottom of an Easter egg to use as a stamper even. I forgot about that. And you can use maybe pipe cleaners if you have them for the antennae. Look around your house with a grown-up and some friends and see what you can use and make some pictures and some caterpillars. I'd love to see what you make. Bye.